Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on apps and notifications. That they should be on the third position. Now let's scroll down and tap on advanced and scroll down again in order to tap on special app access. And here we have to find the option which is install unknown apps, and let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are right now not allowed to install anything. If you'd like to change it, for example, if you'd like to allow Chrome to install some content, just tap on it and tap on this switcher right here. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps are usually aren't verified by the developer, so they may cause some risk and they may make your device more vulnerable to attack by unknown apps. So after getting back, you can see that you just allowed Chrome to install some content. Obviously it will work with other apps, just like I've just shown you, and of course you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just go back to the Chrome and tap on the switcher here, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.